My favourite part of being an apprentice with Gwynedd Council is being able to use new technologies in my work, such as One.
I have to say the best experience I've had since being in the apprenticeship programme is being able to work independently, not always having someone shadowing you, being able to work on your own and having the experience that a normal job would have as well.
I think the best experience I've had is going on different courses that's helped me to broaden my knowledge for the civil engineering industry, and also go on working sites to see how people work together and what processes they go through to complete their tasks.
I chose to do an apprenticeship with Gwynedd Council so that I could gain experience in the world of work whilst also working towards a degree.
I chose an apprenticeship with Gwynedd Council because it was something that I was really interested in, and also I live locally as well, so it was very interesting to see what Cyngor Gwynedd provides for the Gwynedd people and the different departments within the council as well. It's very interesting.
I've always had an interest in the engineering industry, and I went to college for a year and it wasn't for me, so I came back home and saw that Cyngor Gwynedd was doing an apprenticeship scheme. So I applied and I thought this was a good opportunity for me to start again.
I would suggest to anybody interested in applying for an apprenticeship to go for it because it's a good foundation for your future.
The only advice I'd give to someone looking to get into the programme is to look into all the different things that are available, look into the different departments to see which one has most interest to you personally, and also to take any experience that comes with the apprenticeship programme, so any training, anything that comes with the apprenticeship, make the most of it.
From my experience, I believe that following the apprenticeship scheme is a good opportunity for young people to get the experience, the qualifications while they're working, and also to get paid. And it's also an experience of the real working life.